Welcome back to my channel, Be Your Best Beautiful. I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are safe at your homes, and I hope you guys have got vaccination for yourself, and if not, please do get yourself vaccinated as soon as possible. So today I'm here and I'm going to talk about a very interesting product, and the product is the Plix Olena Sunflower Vitamin E Capsules. Now when Plix approached me with this product, I was a little bit hesitant initially because these are consumable capsules. I was confused whether to try it or not, but when I read about the company and I saw a lot of positive reviews, I thought to give it a try, and that's the reason I am here and I'm going to share my experience with this particular product. So let me tell you more about Plix. Now Plix is a company or a brand that deals with complete clean plant-based nutrition. So if you go to their website and if you check out their products, all of their products are clean plant-based. So their products are 100% vegan. There is no added sugar in any of their products. There are no GMOs, no harmful chemicals, so easily consumed by anyone and everyone, so no issues with respect to that. Now let me tell you a little about vitamin E. Now vitamin E is a fat soluble antioxidant which helps us to fight against different bacteria and viruses in our body. In addition to enhancing the immunity, vitamin E also helps us to get a very nice, glowing, supple, healthy skin, and vitamin E plays a very important role in preventing aging, which is so important. So overall there are a huge number of benefits of vitamin E, and Plix is exactly giving you that. Now let me talk a little bit about the product, the capsules in here. So each capsule contains 300 mg of sunflower oil, 150 mg of olive oil and 50 mg of aloe vera. Now when I say sunflower oil, it is the richest source of vitamin E, which is so essential for the body. Olive oil helps us to get a beautiful, healthy, supple, glowing skin. And when I say aloe vera is such a skin friendly product. Aloe vera basically soothes down, it calms down your skin so well, and it gives ample of hydration, which is again so essential. So along with drinking lots and lots of water, this vitamin E capsule will add to it, will give you a very healthy skin. Now let me talk about the price of this particular product. It's for 999 for 30 capsules, and but if you go to their website, there is always some or the other discounts going on, so you will get it at a very good deal. The best thing about this is, along with every purchase, you get a free online doctor consultation, which is amazing. So if you have any skin concerns and if you purchase any of their products, you will get a free online doctor consultation. So yeah, and now I will tell you how to consume this particular capsule. So this is how the capsule looks like. You just need to pop up this capsule with 1 glass of plain normal water. You can either take it after your breakfast, your lunch or your dinner. You just need to have 1 capsule once a day, not more than that. Do not skip a day, because these products will only take effect if you take it continuously on a daily basis. So do not skip a day. Now let me talk about my experience with this particular product. Now I've been using this particular product since last 2.5 months, and frankly speaking, I used to get a lot of acne or pimples on my forehead. Like, it's been years and years I've been getting it all the time. I can actually see a good difference. My skin feels very healthy. Even you guys can also make out my skin like 2.5 months back and now. So overall I am seeing a good difference in my skin, which is why I'm making this video. My skin feels very healthy and there is a nice glow to the skin as well. So overall I think I'm going to recommend this product to you. If you need to know more about the product, I'm going to link the product website in the description, so do check that out. And again, if you make any purchase from their website, you will get a free online doctor consultation. So if you have any skin concerns, they can definitely help you out with that. So yeah, I think that is it for today, guys. I hope this video benefits you. If you guys have any skin concerns, like normal basic skin concerns, vitamin E is so essential for the body. So yeah, so I think that is it for today, guys. I hope you love this review. I hope you love this video. And if you love this review, if you love this video, please like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you guys next week. Till then, take care. Bye.